Hello friends, welcome to TurboSite channel. In the video, we will tell you how to set up encoding profile for TBS2812 HDMI encoder. Log in the web UI and go to the live stream section. Choose HDMI encoder in TS acquisition. Click encoding profiles into the setting page. We will create some new record for your reference. The first one is a profile for H.265 6 Mbps encoding. The second profile is for H.264 8 Mbps encoding. The last one is for H.265 8 Mbps encoding. Choose any of the HDMI port to apply the profile. This setting only is applied the profile to a port. We can set 12 different profiles applying to 12 ports. Restart the streaming engine to commit the new settings. Then we use VLC to test the channel. If we set up a default encoding profile, it will be applied to all 12 HDMI ports. Let's use VLC to test the channel again. Thank you for watching this video.